I have other angles, I just don't know how much. There he goes.
What the heck? Okay.
Dude, what a f***ing ass. Wow. And he hit Missy. And that's normal speed.
So, black shorts, black shirt.
The 11th of July, 2026. Florida Waterfront Bar and Grill. A man jumped over the bar unprovoked, attacked 2 staff members, and fled to a nearby boat. 4 criminal charges by the end of the night.
The bartender here.
Okay, what happened?
So it's Chris that's out there on the boat. So he came over my bar and went through the drafts, jumped over all my people, jumped over the bar through the drafts, attacked me and my barback.
Okay.
And then he jumped back over and he went back onto the boat.
Okay. What's his full name?
Come here. Where's Chris that just attacked us? Fucking attacked me too. Yes.
Fucking trouble.
He's on this boat now, my Chris.
Okay.
I've been here for 27 years. He just jumped over people onto the
Do
drafts.
you need medical attention?
No, I'm okay.
Right here, look at that.
Okay. All right, let me see your ID.
I don't have an idea, man. The bartender, but my barback's really hurting. His face is all cut.
Where is it? Where is he?
You think he went upstairs to the office? Probably upstairs in the office.
Call him Mike 63614. They're no longer engaged in the physical.
Well, he really got him.
All right.
What's up, man?
What's going on, boss?
So you got that guy the guy who did it went out that way.
Tape and see what the hell happened.
Yeah, I was about to pull it up on the tape.
All right. Do you happen to have your ID on you, boss?
I don't.
So right here, it'd have been on next to the Red Bull.
Yeah, but a little bit over. Yeah, but right there will be somewhat of an angle.
Well, let me ask you this before we go any further. Do you want to press charges?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Well, you're gonna have to. I mean, once you see whatever happened, it's gonna be.
Okay. Well, no, I still have to
Yeah,
ask you.
yeah.
I still have to ask you. So.
I mean, yeah, dude, this shit's
Okay.
a little extreme for whatever he.
So we're getting
Were there any words exchanged?
Nah, dude.
You
I
just
said good morning to him and everything. Normally we get along just fine.
right here somewhere.
And he
came across the bar?
Yeah,
he
I hadn't
jumped
seen him.
across
He
the
was-
bar and hit him apparently.
sucker punched me in the back or some shit.
He didn't even know really what happened because he wasn't looking at him when it happened. He just got fucking tackled.
No, dude.
Okay.
We get along fine.
This guy just got back from like a fishing trip or something, right? Wasn't he shrimping?
Yeah.
He was out of town. Missy said that she got hit too, so she was standing right next to you when that shit happened. It's
Yeah,
gonna be
sure.
pulling up here. I'm at 225.
Call him Mike 63614. This is going to be a 36 Bravo suspects, no longer 1012. I'm getting a description now. And we know this guy. You're familiar with him?
Yeah, I'm sure
Everybody knows him.
What's his first name? Go ahead.
This is him right here. This is Ryan. He just walked through the entrance, so he's about to walk this way. And we'll see. I have other angles. I just don't know how much. There he goes.
What the heck? Okay.
Dude, what a fucking ass. Wow. And he hit Missy. And that's normal speed.
So, black shorts, black shirt, white hat?
Yeah, with a black brim, looks like.
No
His
shoes?
shorts had some sort of little, maybe repeating design on it.
Is he short, tall?
Yeah, he's kind of like here.
About 5'10"?
Something like that.
Okay.
He's not tall. He's not
Does he have
tall
any
like
facial
me.
hair?
He's got facial scarring.
Okay.
Facial scarring from like acne maybe,
Okay.
and maybe some like rough looking facial hair.
Scruffy. Okay. All right. Black shirt, black shorts, white baseball cap, scruffy facial hair, 5'10", white male. No shoes.
White.
His first name's Chris. He works on the shrimp boat.
What kind of shoes?
None.
White nautical pattern on the black shorts.
Last time I saw him, he was headed toward the marina.
Face?
Yeah.
What an asshole. I'm sorry, Ryan.
All right. Flip him over for me. Yeah. And
You know, it takes a real to do some shit like that.
yeah. You're gonna have stuff on your back because he was tossing you around. Can you pull your shirt up?
We'll leave that for another day, boss.
I mean, listen. And you didn't say anything to him?
No, dude. I said hello. We're normally on good fucking terms.
Yeah.
he's here all the time, so it's random.
Okay.
There's a girl. Don't want any of this in the report. Is the problem.
Okay. Well, hold on for
say
1
it
second. Let me go get her information. Going off for a second to discuss. All right. So tell me what happened.
Okay, so as I showed you kind of where I kind of showed you on that side where all the beer taps were.
Yep.
All of a sudden, we've known this Scott idiot for a long time. So all of a sudden, I'm just waiting on a couple of people.
Yeah.
And I am, here's the beer taps right here. I'm walking away from it. And all of a sudden.
Give me 1 second.
Sorry.
30. You can go ahead and 10-15. 36 Bravo. They want to pursue charges.
So all of a sudden, I can't even believe that. There's 3 taps there. He jumped over my customers. They threw the customers out of the way. Jumped over my customers.
Are you not out with my suspect?
It's okay.
I'm sorry.
It's all
It's
right.
not you.
I need to chill out a little bit. I've been here for 27 years. He freaked me out. Little piece of shit. It's okay.
I'm sorry, ma'am. Give me a
Don't
second.
be sorry.
I'm dealing with a bunch of clowns.
Okay?
Yeah, great.
Negative 2 heavy set. Black shirt with a white logo on the back that may have skull and crossbones in white. Black shorts, no shoes. White baseball cap with a black trim. Ponytail, about 5'10". I'm sorry. All right.
Don't be sorry.
So yeah, I looked at the video, and from what I saw is, without any provocation, he just jumped over the bar. He was attacking Ryan. He tried to pick him up a couple times
And
and
that's
toss
when
him.
I jumped in and I
Okay.
tried to get him. I didn't hit. I just tried to get him off him. I mean, I was freaked out. I'm like, I was trying to kick him off him. I'm like, what are you doing? I couldn't even believe he was. I can't believe he flew through those drafts.
Yeah.
The poor people behind me, and then he started beating on me. So then I'm like stuck.
Okay.
I was helping Ryan up.
So do you want to press charges, ma'am?
Oh yes,
Okay, what's your first name?
Melissa.
Okay.
I'm gonna
And you
press
have
charges. You gonna press charges?
Do you have a Florida ID?
I don't have it on me.
That's fine. Is it out of Florida?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
I live,
All right. Did he hit your face at all?
no, when he came
You
out
got
of the
some
bar,
red right there on your. All
he
right.
hit me and flew out of the bar, but I don't think, no.
Okay.
I kind of went that way. I just reacted.
Hold your hands out for me like this. And flip them over, please. All
Those are
right.
kind of old age spots, I'm not going to lie. But
Okay.
He did get me there, and he came across the bar here. I moved
Okay.
pretty quick.
All
I
right.
was just
And
trying
you
to
don't
get Ryan
you don't need
up.
medical attention though?
No, I'm
Okay.
okay. Thank you very much. So.
All right. We'll track him down.
I'm
Oh,
hoping
by
he
the
gets-
way,
I hope he needs medical attention.
do you happen to know his last name by chance?
No, but I know somebody does right here.
All right. Thank you, guys.
We got nothing all the way down to Dante's. We didn't go upstairs. We went by the backside. I'm going to go over
Going
to
off
the
to discuss.
Battery. Florida Statute 784.03. Intentional, unconsented physical contact against another person. 2 victims, Ryan and Melissa, means 2 separate counts. Each count is a first-degree misdemeanor, up to 1 year each. The attack was caught on bar CCTV, reviewed by officers on scene. No words exchanged, no provocation on camera, no dispute before the jump. Under Florida law, that eliminates self-defense as a viable argument. The video is the case. Disorderly conduct on the premises of an establishment, Florida Statutes 877.03, second-degree misdemeanor, up to 60 days. Jumping over a bar, throwing customers aside, and attacking staff, each of those acts qualifies independently. Resisting an officer without violence. Florida Statutes 843.02, first-degree misdemeanor, up to 1 year. Active verbal resistance, refusing commands, body tension during cuffing, all documented on Bodycam. Resistance without violence does not require a physical fight. It requires only deliberate, knowing opposition to lawful authority. Battery on a law enforcement officer. Florida Statutes 784.07, subsection 2B, third-degree felony, up to 5 years, up to $5,000 in fines. This is not a misdemeanor. The moment any physical contact, including saliva, reaches an officer, the charge tier elevates from misdemeanor to felony. The spitting moment matters legally. Under Florida battery law, intentional physical contact of any kind without consent constitutes battery. Saliva on an officer is a documented basis for a standalone battery on LEO count. Officers noted it on camera. It is in the record. You're illegally detaining me. He said that in custody. On camera, it was not true. Officers had probable cause from 2 eyewitness accounts, bar CCTV footage reviewed on scene, and the subject's flight from the location of the battery. Under Florida law in Terry versus Ohio, that is lawful arrest, not illegal detention. I got all the charges, I'll take it. He said that too, on camera. Entry 398. That statement is not a defense. It is not sarcasm that disappears in court. Voluntary statements made in custody without invoking the right to silence are admissible. Every word on that body cam belongs to the prosecution. I'm gonna kick you right in your face. Entry 449. Officer documented it immediately on radio. Under Florida statute 784.011, threatening to do violence to a law enforcement officer, even verbally, can constitute additional criminal exposure beyond the charges already filed.
Right?
Yeah, you can get it.
Huh?
You can get it.
Get what?
What do you got?
All right, back up.
No, you're good.
Back up.
You got it. I'll give it
5-1, I have one at taser point. Turn around and put your hands behind your back now. Turn around and put your hands behind your back.
You got me. You got me. Hey.
Turn around, dummy.
Sure, you got me. Don't do it. Don't.
I'm gonna tell you. I'm gonna tell you right now.
It.
I'm gonna tell you right now.
Nothing. Don't push it.
I'm gonna tell you right now. You need to relax.
I'm already relaxed. What did I do when she told me? What did I do?
You came at me and you told me I'm gonna get it.
No, I said.
Oh, is that what you said?
No. Get out of here.
$511 in custody.
There you go.
All right, let me put gloves on her. I'll hold him on. You want to search?
Put me in the f***ing car.
Hey, 1 second.
Put me in the back of the f***ing car. I ain't got nothing on me. My wallet, my nothing.
You live here?
No.
Okay, then why were you on their property? Where were you going?
I was gonna go talk to my friend.
Yeah,
Who's your friend?
Don't matter. Don't matter. Go f yourself. Take me in. Let's go. Don't f***ing push my shit up.
I'm gonna tell you right now. You need to relax.
I am relaxing. Don't push my shit.
I'm gonna tell you.
Relax. Stop pushing it.
Relax.
Stop pushing my arms up.
You need to relax
Stop
right
pushing
now.
my arms up. Give me my arms back. Motherfucker, you have it. Stop pushing my arms. Listen, hey, Chief. Chief, tell him to stop pushing my shit up.
Okay,
He's
relax.
gacking it.
Listen.
He's gacking my shit.
Okay.
He's gacking it.
He's not gacking.
Brooke, call
Okay. Listen, call who?
Tell him to stop gacking my shit up.
I'm
My
not
shit's,
gacking anything up.
my arms are gacked
You
up.
good?
I'm f***ing chiefed up.
Stuff's up on the roof. Have a seat.
You gotta lower my f***ing shit
No,
down?
you're good.
Is he gonna keep pushing my, jacking my shit up?
I'm not.
You,
Stop.
you,
Stop. You need to relax.
you,
Stop.
you.
Stop.
I didn't spit on you.
Get in there.
I didn't spit on you.
You did. You got saliva all over your mouth. All right, relax.
You.
Okay.
Don't even put that shit in there.
right,
Just
well.
don't even put the buckle up. No buckle. No buckle.
Oh, you don't get to make those decisions, right?
Yeah.
So,
What's
why
my
don't-
charges?
why don't you? I
What's
don't
my
know. I
charges?
just got here. All right. I'm thinking battery.
So I saw him walking right at the corner where I called it out, and then he like ran off. Not ran off, but like he was stumbling. Yeah, and came around this way, and then as I'm passing these cars, I lost sight of him for a minute. Going off.
I didn't run off. You dirty little. You dirty. Hey. 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 Hey, Chief. Chief. Hey. Hey, Chief. Hey, Chief. Chief. Hey. Hey. Hey, Chief. She ain't did nothing. Hey.
Okay.
Listen. Forget the bullshit that you got the call for earlier, right? She had nothing on this. She had nothing to stop me. She had nothing to stop me, Chief. Hey, listen. You listen to me. You listen to me, and you know that I'll win this.
I understand the words
she
coming out
had-
of your mouth, but I didn't know.
Hey. She had nothing to stop me on my friend's property, and then she stopped me, and you guys pulled up. So you better fix that. Fix it. That's it. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good.
Detain, all right?
Good. Hey!
What?
This it. This is where I am. Where she got me. That's it. Ain't no going nowhere further.
Oh yeah, no, you did. You went over the fence and everything.
No, that's my friend's house.
Oh yeah, what's your friend's name?
It don't matter.
Yeah, exactly.
You.
Oh man.
You.
So many charges.
Listen, I got all the charges. I'll take it. I'll take it. You want one? I'll kick you right in your fucking head, motherfucker. You want one? I'll give you one. I'll give you one. Ain't nothing here. Hey, drive the out of here. Drive me the out of here and take me to jail. You got something on me? You got an assault? Good. Get the out of here. Drive away. I was respectful to you.
No, I wish.
Get the out of this motherfucker. You can't stop me and say, "Oh, you did it." Nope. Do it. Do it.
Chris, relax, man. Relax.
You. That motherfucker turned on me.
Who?
That motherfucker turned on me at the bar first. What are you charging me with?
I'm not charging you with anything.
You're not? Why are you taking me?
I'm not. I'm just transporting you to the jail.
Where are you taking me?
I'm taking you to jail.
For what? You ain't got nothing. That hit me first, and you're gonna trust him. You're an idiot. You're stupid. You're stupid. You're taking me to jail. You're gonna sit on this. You're gonna go to bed tonight. I'm gonna be sitting there. You're gonna go to bed. You're gonna be. You want one on that? Oh,
am I?
That don't want to. Take my ass in that jail. I'm gonna kick you right in your face.
Are you?
Yeah. You might. You're illegally detaining me. Illegally detaining me. I'm an assault that was already assaulted before that. You idiot. You want to fucking
you just
play
notate
games?
that the subject just told me he's going to kick me right in my face.
You better use
go
that
up to the
fucking
jail.
radio. You better use that shit.
Another way to bring
You dumb. Now you're getting it.
Grades. The officer who documented the threat, the subject just told me he's going to kick me right in my face. Radio used that, is doing exactly what needs to be done. Every statement made by a subject in custody that constitutes a new offense must be documented in real time. That officer understood that. The victims handled correctly. Both stated they wanted to press charges. Both provided statements without pressure. The barback Melissa noted she was hit but declined medical attention. Officers documented injuries, noted the barback's face was hurt, and moved through the scene professionally. Chris grade D. Then he resisted. Then he argued illegality that did not exist. Then he threatened to kick an officer in the face on active body cam. Then he claimed to have been assaulted before the incident, without any evidence, witness, or video to support the claim. Each statement compounded his exposure. The right to remain silent was available at every step. He declined it at every step. 3 lessons. 2. Saliva is battery. Any intentional, unconsented physical contact with a law enforcement officer, including spitting, elevates the charge from misdemeanor to 3rd-degree felony. The spit happens in seconds. The felony follows it permanently. 3. What you say in custody is evidence. I'll take all the charges. I'm going to kick you in the face. You're illegally detaining me. Each of those statements is now part of the record. None of them helped. All of them will be used. The right to remain silent does not expire after arrest. It is available until you stop using it. 4 charges, 3 felony-range threats documented on Bodycam, 2 victims who watched it happen every day for years, 1 CCTV tape, 1 man who left it all on camera. Drop a comment. What do you think about the taser threat? Was it the right call given the level of resistance shown on camera? Subscribe for weekly Bodycam analysis. We'll see you in the next one.